And now it's time for Ponnin, Adventure. Underwater adventure. So much water. The water's rising. How will I get out of here? There's too much water. I'm underwater. What to do with it? What to do? I'm getting out of this water. Oh no, there goes a white fish in the tank. There's a white fish in the tank. There's a white fish in the tank. There's a white fish underwater. There's a white fish underwater. There's a giant white eel in here. I'm getting out of here. It's a white eel fish. I'm on my way. I'm out here. Here I go. I'm on my way. Goodbye, fish. Goodbye, fish. Goodbye. Goodbye, fish. I'm out of here. Well, there's something above me. There's something above me. I can't tell what it is, though. Where's the water? I'll get it. I'll look for it. Yeah. Hey. Oh, there's a boat up ahead. A boat, a boat, a boat. 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 I got to the boat. I got to the boat point. Made to the surface. Now get in the boat.